This is Raam Kumar from Department of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering from SNS College of Engineering. By continuing the previous lecture video series, here I am going to explain about the TQM tools and techniques. In TQM tools and techniques, in existing class we have discussed about the traditional management tool and new management tool. Traditional 7 traditional tools and new management tools. In new management tool, we have detailedly discussed about the priority matrix and the PDPC cycle, and also the process flow of the process flow chart of the progress. Here while talking about new management tool, previously we have discussed about certain process with their examples. Now we are going to discuss about the process flow chart. In process flow chart, how the production process started from a design, collecting from the raw material from the supplier, and designing the component with the support of R&D department, and also enhancing the progress of the quality management tool which we are applying here, and also the process of production scheduling, and also the maintenance process. So here comes the process flow chart, helps to develop the progress of any process, through which we can able to enhance the process optimization in a sequential manner. Second comes the priority matrix. Priority matrix is categories based on the urgent and the important. First one will be in the most urgent and the most important component is said to be as the first priority matrix, and the second one will be the second priority, which will be having the secondary output of the company. Third one will be the third priority based on the importance of the product. Fourth one will be to eliminate. If we are following these priority matrix in a sequential manner, then we can able to attain the customer expectation in the process flow, in the proper channel, in the proper process flow. So this is the work which we are going to progress while deploying the total quality management tools. And the next one will be the critical part analysis. In critical part analysis, we have to progress from starting from to ending point, in which ABCD, the order can be in any form, but the process flow has to be carried out based on the criticality of product manufacturing. Here, if certain component has to be produced only through casting and only through the fabrication method of welding, such as weldings and machining components, that the critical part and the critical component has to be carried out in a sequential manner, and has to carried out will be in a critical chamber. So the critical process flow has to be carried out and has to be found out in the every sector. Then when coming to the next tool of total quality management is failure mode and effective analysis, which is also be said as FMEA. In failure mode and effective analysis, if a product functionality could not be attained as per the expectation of the customer, that's said to be a failure. So the exact functionality can be possible only using process optimization. So by using the tool in failure mode and effective analysis, these process can be effectively proposed. The second one will be in each sector we are going to discuss in about detail. In failure mode and effective analysis, the first is what is the potential failure we need to be find. Then the mode, in which way, in which type, and which possibilities the failure is going to be accomplished. And the third one will be the effect. Because of the failure, what are the effects happening in a product? What are the effects happening in the functional part of the component? And the last one will be analysis. In analysis part, we have to find which is the risk factor which is need to be removed from the process of the product manufacturing. Though this is the main tool of TQM, through which it is commercially applied and applied in every company, every sector in manufacturing industry, and also in the production sector. In FMEA, while applying for the computer system fault, this is the best example. Detecting the failure mode, through which the server is having a certain problem. So detecting the failure, severity number we have to give how much severe the product has to be, how much severe the problem has to be, we have to carry it out. Then the probability of occurrence, how much the repeatable of the component has deviated from the likelihood of detection. The similarity from the probability of occurrence, we have to find the similarity in detection. And the third one will be risk probability number, in which factor we have to consider the risk probability is severity number multiplies by probability of occurrence multiplied by the likelihood direction, and also the recommendation action. By this way, the failure mode and effective analysis has been applied in the applied in a production sector, and this is the best example for finding the FMEA application in the computer system fault. Thank you.